What's up guys, today I just got a short little video to show you how to replace the alternator on a 2005 Silverado. I have the 5.3 liter V8 and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is disconnect the negative side of the battery just so that we don't shock ourselves, because that would not get us very far. And this is a size 8, so we're just going to loosen that. And then we just want to push it down into the side and just make sure it's not touching that connection. Otherwise, you might still get shocked. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen this tensioner pulley just so that we have enough slack to get the belt off of this one. And if this is in the way, you can easily just loosen these hose clamps on either side and pull that off. But I got enough room to just sneak down in there, and we're just gonna twist it to the right and it'll give us a little bit of slack to pull this off. And then we're just gonna set that to the side so that we can put it back on when our new one's put on. And this one here is a 15 millimeter. So we're just gonna slide it off of this rounded one. And then we're just gonna pull it off of that one. And then you can release the tension on it. And then we just wanna kinda let that sit there. And then the next thing that we wanna do is just pull this little boot out of the way. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull this nut off so that we can take this little clamp here off. And this one is going to be a size 10. So we're just going to remove this and just set this to the side right here. And then now I'm going to go ahead and unbolt the actual alternator. There's just these two bolts right here, and these are also 15 millimeters. And we can just set these bolts to the side. And then now that it's loose, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out of here. And then we just gotta take off one more little clip on this back side. There it comes. There we go. And then we just wanna get a little bit of room so that we can take off this little clip here. And this, you just got to pull out this little bottom piece, or pull out this little flap right here, and then that will come right off. And we can get this out of the way. And then before we throw the new one in, we just want to quickly look at the two, just to make sure they look the same and that our connections are the same, and then that they also have the same bolt connection. So it looks like it's going to work. So we'll pretty much put this one in pretty much just in reverse of how we put the other one in. So I can put my clip on first, my little electrical clip right here. And that went on just perfect, and it clicked. So that's always a good sign. Now we just gotta mandle this thing back in here. It's a little bit tight, but alright, it looks like I might be able to get this bolt in, and then I can try to get it into position for the other bolt. Let's see. And there we go. We got this closer side in there. All right, and now we just want to get that other side in position. That's always a good sound. All right, and then once you get those bolts in, you can just tighten them down. There we go. And then we want to reconnect this little connection back here. Get that good and tight. And then we can go ahead and put this boot back on. Just like that. Alright, so now we can go ahead and put this belt back on. So we just want to once again turn it to the right, and then we just want to loop it back up just the way it was before. I'll quickly attach mine, and then I'll show you the pattern it takes in case yours didn't stay on. Alright, there we go. So it will come around this side, under this one, over that one, under that one, and then around this one, under that one and back up. And if you have a different engine or anything, it should show you right here the pattern that it takes. And now that we got that put back on, we can get this reconnected and we'll be good to go. I just saw some sparks, so hopefully I don't get shocked. Get that tightened up. Now we can go ahead and fire it up real quick and make sure that we don't get no lights on the dash, and make sure that our belt is put on properly. All right, everything looks good in here. And our belt looks like it's on good. So everything should be fine. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'd be happy to try answer them. And best of luck to you.